Is this new screen protector set from UltraGlass going to be worth it for your new S26 Ultra? Let's find out. So when it comes to everything included, you've got both screen protectors here, plus that installation kit as well. And there is going to be one that's preloaded in there, and then you have your backup one. You also have a bubble removal tool in case you have any air bubbles after installing, plus the 2 cleaning kits as well for the pre-installation process. So I've got the phone here and I'm just going to show you how to install it real quick. It is a very simple process, especially with that installation helper here. And beforehand, make sure you do use the included cleaner kits. You got a microfiber cloth, you got some wet wipes in there to help you clean your phone off beforehand. Once that's done, grab your screen protector. You're going to line up the top here with the phone camera side right here, camera side up. And you're gonna place that right down, and that'll have a nice and snug fit. You can hold that there, and you're just gonna wanna pull from the bottom on that pull tab. And you're gonna let that install. And as you can see, you got the air moving out. And if you wanna secure it a little bit more, you can just rub your finger on the top. And once you're done, just lift up. You're gonna pull that protective piece off, that little film piece. And there you have it. You have a perfectly installed screen protector. Mine actually came out great, has no air bubbles. Overall though, definitely would recommend this screen protector set. Really easy installation, and for me it was air bubble free, which is nice because of that installation tool. I actually had their screen protectors on my S25 Ultra last year, and they did a great job protecting my screen, so I know that this year is gonna be the same when it comes to the new model. And in case anything ever happens to that first one, you got a backup right here, which is nice.